This is a first-gen US version Pixel Watch that I managed to set up with Suica. This video is for you if you have a Pixel Watch, an Android phone, an American Express credit card, and you don't want to use a physical Suica card. You don't want to use an iPhone. You don't have a Pixel phone. Or if you do have a Pixel phone, you don't want to root it, or you don't want to change it to the Japanese model. If all of that applies to you, then this video might be useful. First, you will need to set up your phone to make it look like you're in Japan. You will need a Japanese SIM card. I'm using an eSIM from Yubiki. Once you've enabled your Japanese SIM, go to your network settings and set your mobile data source to be from the Japanese SIM. Next, you will need a VPN to set your network region to Japan. I'm using private internet access, but any VPN should work as long as you can choose the Japanese region. Then you will need an app to spoof your GPS location. I'm using fake GPS. If you don't have developer options enabled, then search for build number in your settings. Tap the build number option 7 times, and that should enable developer options. Now in your settings, you can search for the mock location app option. Select the option and choose the spoofing app that you installed. In my case, that's fake GPS. Open up the GPS app you installed, move your location to Japan, and press the play button. Finally, you will need a Japanese Google account. If you don't have one, then you can create one now because you should be on a Japanese network now. Just go to your account management and look for the option to add an account. Select Google as the account you want to add, and then select the option to create an account. To verify if you have a Japanese Google account, you can go to the Play Store and search for Suica. You should see apps published by the Suica network. If you don't see this, then you might need to clear the cache and storage of your Play Store app. If you still don't see it, then you might need to remove your other Google accounts from your phone. Now on your Pixel Watch, the first thing you want to do is link your Japanese Google account. And after you've done that, make sure that Wi-Fi and GPS location are disabled. Next, find your Google Wallet app in your app list, and if there are any upgrades, then remove them. Then go to the Play Store and search for Wallet. If there are any updates for Google Wallet, then update it. Now go back to your phone. Uninstall the Google Wallet app on your phone, then install it back again. Now on your phone, open up the Pixel Watch app, then select Google Wallet, select Add to Watch. You should now see the options to add eMoney and Suica. From here, it's just following the prompts. Install whatever it tells you to install, and fill out whatever it tells you to fill out. you're going to see a lot of errors and you're going to have to restart the Suica adding process a lot. That's normal. It took me around 10 tries before I stopped getting errors and I was successful. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned that you need an American Express card. This is because Suica on Android rejects payments from 99% of cards from Visa or MasterCard. So your best bet is to use an American Express card. And if you don't have that, you can still add money to your Suica with physical cash. You just have to go to a kiosk. Or you can go to a convenience store like Lawson's or 7-Eleven, and the cashier there can add money to your Suica for cash.